Hey everybody, Randall with BB Kearns All In. Today, well, I normally don't do a video like this, but just to let you guys know that chores still have to go. We still have to check on the animals. And right now, well, we're basically having a lot of rain. It's supposed to be forecasted for rain for the next 3 days. I just got off of work. Becky and Carter are gone to do something with my brother-in-law, so they're not home. So I got to do the evening chores. And I got a special chore that I normally don't show on video, but you guys come watch this. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do when it rains, and why we like it when it rains. This is our rainwater collection project. This is the water container that's filling up. This is the one where we're gonna put it into and hook the pump up to keep it filling up. And Becky already pulled the, well, I'm gonna show you right here in the top of the tank. You can see it where the water's really close to the top. We got home just in time. I got home just in time to get it going. First thing we do is open the valve. And then we plug in the pump. And you heard the pump come on. And now, this is the other end of the hose. And will the water come out? Uh-oh, I think it's coming. Oh, got a kink. Uh-oh, there it goes. So we're gonna go do a few other chores and come back and check on it to make sure when it's full and we can cut the water. This is the new, oh wow, they don't like my voice. This is the new meat birds that we got that Murray McMurray, I believe, is the hatchery that we ordered them from, that we had some that didn't make it. So that was the replacements that they sent us. And then this is a little bit of an update of the Australopes. You see how big they're getting. And then the other day we showed you the Easter eggers, and these are the Easter eggers, and they're getting big quick. Hey Sadie, tell everybody you the girl with the bell now. Tell everybody. Say we had to take it off of Carson and give it to you. You like it. What are you doing, boy? I ain't got nothing to eat with me right now. Look, that was a whole bale, round bale. They have demolished it in 2 days. Look who I found inside the house. They're smart. Say, hey, Bug. Hey, Carson. Look what we got right here. She picked the wrong day to get stuck in the fence on a rainy day. Come on, girl, we're gonna get you out. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. It's all right, come on. You gotta come backwards. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You almost got it. You almost got it. Stop, stop, stop. There you go. Come on back, girl. There you go. There you go. I sure am glad I decided to come check on them in the rain. Otherwise, she'd have been there for a long time. You gonna tell everybody hello, Oreo? Huh? What about you, Peanut? What about you, boy? You gonna tell everybody hey? Huh? Daisy, come here, girl. Daisy, tell everybody hey. Say it's raining, but I'm doing what I'm supposed to. Tell everybody hey. I found the pigs. They're staying dry. They're up under the shelter. Daisy getting a nice drink. Hey, Stormy. Come here, boy. Come here, Stormy. Come here, boy. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Stormy, come here, boy. Now we're gonna check the chicken in there. See if there's any. Oh yeah, look, there's an egg. And look, there's some birds roosting, getting out of the rain. Where's my little man at? This is what he do. Well, as you guys can tell, I'm not wearing Crocs today. It's not Croc weather going out there in the pasture in the field. I come over to the chicken side and you can see a few of them staying out in the weather. Uh-oh, there's a rooster trying to get a hold of a hen. All right, let's go in here in this old hoop coop. See what we got for eggs. Uh-oh, I see a couple. There's one. And there's two more. There's two more. All right, now we're gonna check the big coop. See what we got in. Oh, we've got a whole bunch in the big coop. Now these are some noisy ducks and geese. They love this rainy weather. Uh-oh, look what I see. I see another egg. Well, everybody, this is a goose egg. Oh, and the geese have laid right there. Oh, look, we got another duck egg. Today I was able to get 16 chicken eggs, 2 duck eggs, and 1 goose egg. I come back over and we're overflowing. Oh, we got to shut the pump off, cut the valve. Oh. Hey everybody, we're back where we started at. We got all those eggs. We were able to get the goat free that was stuck. They're all gonna have a good night. We checked on them, everything's good. We were able to fill up the tank. We were a little bit late on the tank, but that's okay. We got plenty of rain coming. So, Randall with BB Kearns All In. I want to thank you guys for coming out with me on a rainy day of chores or evening chores, getting things done. So you guys look forward to the next video. Peace.